Safa educational activities present supposite word. Dirty, clean. Hot, cold. Short, long. Closed, open. Right, wrong. Light, dark. New, old. Sad, excited. Full, empty. Fat, thin. Delicious, awful. Noisy, quiet. Rough, smooth. Soft, hard. Day, night. Thank you for watching Safa Educational Activities.